Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing La Quinta by Wyndham Winchester. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are pet-friendly, free Wi-Fi, free parking and a non-smoking rooms. La Quinta by Wyndham Winchester featuring an indoor splash pool and a self-service eatery. La Quinta Inn Suites Winchester is located 1 mile from Shenandoah University. Free Wi-Fi access is available. Each air-conditioned room features complimentary bottled water. A refrigerator, coffee machine and a flat-screen cable TV are provided. The private bathrooms are equipped with a hairdryer and free toiletries. Guests at La Quinta Inn Suites Winchester can work out in the fitness center. Luggage storage is available. The hotel is 2.5 miles from Winchester Country Club. Service animals, other defined service animals are welcome free of charge. Pets allowed 2 pets max. Cats and dogs only. £75 or less per pet. Fees, non-refundable $25 United States dollars nightly for up to 2 pets. Max $75 United States dollars per stay. Other information, contact hotel for additional details and availability. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.